Hi students, welcome back again, and let's complete this topic. We can't complete this topic right now, it's a pretty lengthy topic, but of course yes, we are almost halfway done and half is still more, so I think 3 more lectures, might be 4 more lectures. Anyway, so let's start with the topic of print culture and the modern world. So till now what did we study? We studied the advent of or the introduction of the printing press, which was which created a new kind of print revolution. Why? Because previously it was a pretty tedious task, it was pretty labor consuming, time consuming, it could only be afforded, I'm talking about of course the literature and the reading, that could only be afforded by the elites and the aristocratic class. But with this introduction of printing press, it technically boomed into the market, which was striving hard for the part of books. So let's see today that how it made its impact on the various aspects of life. Let's see. So print revolution. Now why have I written the word print revolution? Because first of all you need to know that the definition of print revolution says the simple transition from hand printing to mechanized printing is known as print revolution. Now what actually happened in print revolution? It influenced popular perceptions and gave a new way to look things. Now what do you mean by this? That simply means that जब भी आप कभी कोई चीज़ read करना start करते हो, so whenever you start reading something, you get actually new perceptions. You have now got new queries. You will start asking questions, and only those who are very well versed with the topic can actually answer your queries. So suppose I have taught you a topic, okay, and you have studied the topic. Now you have read the topic, you understood the topic, but there are still some queries. So you ask, sir, but why actually this happened? Now I'll say, what do you mean by the term why? Because I said so, that's the reason why. So whatever I have said, you have to believe this. But that's not the way to actually answer or satisfy your quench for the part of knowledge, right? क्योंकि मैं जितना भी चिल्लाऊंगा आपको उतना समझ में आ जाएगा कि इनको खुद को तो कुछ आता नहीं है, and that's the reason why he is shouting. So you will start searching, or you will start going out and searching for new avenues to find your answer. You will not stop, because human is the most intelligent or the most intelligible species till now. So that means that जब ये प्रिंट हुआ, चीज़ें हुआ, तो इसका मतलब अलग अलग लोगों के अलग अलग जो परसेप्शंस थे चीज़ों के बारे में वो प्रिंट होके आना चालू हो गए. पहले क्या होता था? ओनली द एरिस्टोक्रेट्स एंड मोनार्क एंड द एलिट्स एंड द मोस्ट लिटरेट एंड द एजुकेटेड एंड द पावरफुल क्लास ओनली यूज्ड टू रूल एंड डोमिनेट द लोअर कास्ट पब्लिक, राइट? एंड दे यूज्ड टू से ओके ठीक है, सो अर्थ नहीं घूम रहा है सर के चारों तरफ, बट एक्चुअली इट्स द अदर वे अराउंड, दैट इज सन इज रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड अर्थ. And nobody questioned that philosophy. Why? Because nobody thought it could be wrong, unless somebody wrote a paper, somebody wrote in his research that this could also be possible, and then people started thinking, oh yeah, it could be right. So that means that if you are literate, you can ask questions, you can understand what the other guy is saying, n number of times, and this might have happened with you. Once you go to a marketplace, okay, with your mom and dad, and they'll say, and आपने उनको बोला, suppose कर लो कोई X brand की चीज़ आपको चाहिए, तो आपने उनको बोला मुझे ये X brand की चीज़ चाहिए. अब उनके पास मान लो वो उस टाइम पर नहीं है, आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है, so they'll say, अरे वो दोनों सेम टू सेम ही है. Now he'll say it so firmly that you will say, oh हाँ सेम टू सेम ही है, ठीक है ये ले लेते हैं. But if you are literate enough and if you really want only that brand, you will say, सर जब दोनों सेम ही सेम हैं तो आप प्लीज वो वाली ब्रांड दे दो ना, दोनों सेम ही है ना, तो when you are selling this, why can't you sell this? But the issue is, since the other person knows that you don't know that much, and that's the reason why he or she tries to dominate you. So that means that with this advent of print revolution, because now the books are going to become cheaper because they are mass printed. जब कोई चीज़ एक प्रिंट हो रही थी, जैसे पहले जब वो हैंड रिटन वाला केस था, तो हैंड राइटिंग वाला पार्ट करने के अंदर बहुत टाइम लगता था, एंड दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई इट वाज अ प्रीटी टीडियस, टाइम कंज्यूमिंग एंड अ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव मैनर, बिकॉज एक फिजिकल लेबर को आपको बिठा करके रखना पड़ता था या एक स्क्राइब को बिठा करके आपको लिखना पड़ता था. बट नाउ दैट कुड बी मास प्रिंटेड. अब जब कोई चीज़ मास प्रिंट होना चालू होती है, दैट मीन्स नाउ इट इज एबल टू गो into the hands of each and every person. अब हर बंदा वो चीज पढ़ेगा और पढ़ने के बाद में उसके दिमाग में एक नया क्वेश्चन आएगा. सो इफ the guys who have previously been sticked with one theory, if they think that that theory is right, because now people would answer their theory, or sorry, people would question their theory, they would challenge their theory, they would ask for debates, and that's what exactly the same part happened. So let's see, as I told you, पहले एक बुक प्रिंट हो रही थी, बहुत पैसे लगते थे, टाइम लगता था. now it just reduced the cost of books, multiple copies produced. There is a book when I used to be during my 12th or my engineering. So we used to study a book known as Resnick-Halliday. Okay, it's a very famous book in physics. Resnick-Halliday is the name. The only problem was Resnick-Halliday was pretty expensive. Pretty expensive because there used to be an paperback edition जो उसका बहुत ही expensive आता था. US से book होती थी, बाद में सिंगापुर में आने लगी and so on and so forth. Still it used to be pretty expensive. But later on, people started copying that book, and that book now actually came down with significant cost so that everybody could afford. Okay, and that's what the same thing happened. So reduced cost of the books, and it could be multiple copies could be produced with the part of printing press, because आपने एक बार लगाया, printing press ने एक book बनाया, बाहर भेजा, फिर बाहर. So there used to be this batch printing module now. आपको मालूम था, मैंने कल भी आपको लेक्चर में बताया था, that this particular reading was becoming a trend, a new kind of leisure activity, a new kind of entertainment, and now public wanted this piece of entertainment, and that's the reason why people started buying these. And now since the cost also became very small or low, and that's the reason why this trend became more and more popular. Reached ever growing readership because of continuously सब लोगों ने पढ़ना चालू कर दिया, तो the readership went on becoming higher and higher and higher, and printing press guys became rich. No more restricted to elites. Previously this particular thing was only restricted to elites. Now no more. There's this famous company, I won't say name of that company. Now this famous company once said, जब उनसे पूछा गया कि why don't you sell your products in Asia or in Asian countries or in India, they said we don't sell our material to blacks. We are higher people and we want that these particular goods should only be purchased by higher people. Excuse me, what do you mean by higher people? याद है PK का dialogue, the movie PK, here is the symbol. So exactly the same part. So when the cost actually came down, now more and more people could actually read this, and the trend became humongous. So it was no more restricted to elites, because now it became more of a common thing. Oral culture heard sacred texts, ballads recited, and folk tales narrated. Now problem was, there was still one problem which the printing guys could not solve it unless the ballet came into place. Now what was that? Not everybody in the European country was literate, and problem is reading required literacy. English के books या suppose कर लो, मैं अभी जो lecture बना रहा हूँ, this is partly in Hindi but majorly in English, say around 70% in English and only 30% in Hindi, just to make you guys that way entertained. So the issue was, or the issue is that right now if you are thinking that any illiterate person would be seeing my video and would be able to understand, I don't think so. Why? Because the language which I have, or the language which I am right now speaking, is English, and that particular person might not know this kind of tone. So that means that knowingly or unknowingly I am making this video not for the entire crowd but only for those affluent families like you. आप बोलोगे सर बट हम तो उतने एफ्लुएंट नहीं हैं, इसका मतलब है आपने अपने से नीचे वाले फैमिलीज को नहीं देखा है. That's the reason why you're saying so. So now you can understand why I keep on saying about mom and dad, because trust me, you guys are affluent, because if you are seeing this video, that means you must be having an Android or an Apple phone. This means that you should be having a data pack, because this is around 1.5 GB guys. This means that you should be having money to, by the way, recharge your phone. This means that you should be having electricity somewhere in your house, because otherwise the phones won't get recharged. And also you should be an English medium student. That means you should be paying up that much fees. That means that you do not belong to the lower class at all. Now this is what actually was the difference, and now the problem was that majority of the people, or a lot of chunk of the people could not actually read these books because they were illiterate. But the problem was solved when actually people started narrating those books. Narrating means उन्होंने जोर जोर से पढ़ना स्टार्ट कर दिया, उन्होंने उसके गाने बनाना चालू कर दिए, उन्होंने उस स्टोरी को एक फोक टेल के अंदर, एक बैले के अंदर, एक पोएम टाइप से एक सिंग करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. एंड नाउ पीपल कुड गेट एंटरटेन. वो चुपचाप बैठ करके सुन सकते थे, समझ सकते थे. दैट वाज द केस. सो रिमेंबर दैट पर्टिकुलर कोट, नेसेसिटी इज द मदर ऑफ इन्वेंशन. जब किसी चीज़ की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है तो ट्रस्ट में अपने आप कोई ना कोई तरीका उसको इन्वेंट करने का निकल ही आता है. एंड दैट्स व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैपेंड. सो पीपल नाउ कुड स्टार्ट, जो लोग इलिटरेट थे उन लोगों ने सुनना चालू कर दिया. एंड दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई ओरल कल्चर स्टार्टेड बूमिंग. ओरल कल्चर मीन्स जब जहाँ से कोई बोल रहा है, जहाँ से कोई सुन रहा है, so on and so forth. Oral culture heard sacred texts, ballads recited and folk tales were narrated. Hearing public, now reading public emerged. पुराने टाइम के ऊपर में जब ये इलिटरेट्स वाला क्राउड बहुत ज़्यादा था, उस टाइम पे हियरिंग क्राउड था जो केवल सुनता रहता था. लेकिन अब धीरे धीरे क्या होने लगा, द रीडिंग पब्लिक इमर्ज्ड. धीरे धीरे लोग लिटरेट होना चालू हो गए. एंड दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई पीपल स्टार्टेड गेनिंग लिटरेसी एंड देन नाउ started finally reading by themselves. Okay. Now, for by the way the public who could not read or write that much or who were kind of illiterates, for them even the booksellers, because see, it's a demand and supply business. So they knew that उनकी books तभी बिकेंगी जब उनमें ज़्यादा photos होंगे, because कई लोग होंगे जो केवल photos देखेंगे. So illustration with pictures, जैसे comics में होता है, illustration with pictures and folk tales or ballads were recited. So धीरे धीरे ये सारी चीज़ें होने लगी, उनके अंदर पिक्चर ज़्यादा डालने लगे, so that people could actually understand this part. Got it? Now let's move ahead. Now let's understand the other aspect, and this is the only reason why your parents are actually asking you or are asking you to study. Religious debates and fear of print. लिटरेसी के साथ में एक बड़ी मज़ेदार चीज़ होती है. You know what? There is quote being said normally in Hindi, and that is that if you are demanding continuously from God, of course, if you're demanding continuously money from God, and यदि उन्होंने बोल दिया कि ठीक है हमने आपको दिया money बहुत सारा, you will be happy for a day, maybe 10 days, maybe for a year, maybe 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. But if you start demanding knowledge, as in how to earn that, that means you can earn that particular amount into 10, into 100, into 1000, because now that particular knowledge will never ever be lost. यदि आपके पास में पैसा आ गया बहुत सारा, तो हो सकता है आप उसे किसी गलत काम में उड़ा दोगे, आप वेस्ट कर दोगे, स्पेंड कर दोगे, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. बट नॉलेज आ गई, वो जिंदगी भर रहेगी. आपने खर्च भी कर दिया, it will come more, it will remain throughout. So in Hindus, there's this particular, thought which always says that Lakshmi ji is the goddess of wealth, and Lakshmi ji keeps on coming and going back. Okay, but Saraswati ji, which is ideally, being seen as the goddess of knowledge, she would remain throughout. So it's always better to gain knowledge rather than money. Money would automatically come, believe me. Okay. Now you see this. So the religious debates and fear of print. Think about it. Print से आपके हिसाब से डर किसको लगना चाहिए? डरेगा वो जो आज तक आप पर गलत ढंग से रूल करता रहा. Correct? Exactly the same thing happened. If you can see this. Now, since people started reading books, अब उनको new ideas आने लगे, because हर अलग अलग आदमी अपनी अपनी एक book publish करने लगा था. And this led to what? Debates and discussions. यार ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है, यार ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है, ये भी तो हो सकता है. And this leads to debate and discussions, because now people started using their own intellect rather than the intellect of the monarchs, the aristocrats, the elites, the rulers, and all of those kingsmen, right? Now, so there was this disagreement could result into printing a book. Now people were also, comparatively less scared, because अब उनको मालूम था that just in the case if my idea is not being accepted by a temple or a church or by anybody at all, now I could start printing my own book and publish it, and if public would like it, they would come and, by the way, meet me and would make me a leader. True? And that's the same thing which actually happened in Europe. You will see, by the way, right now the Protestants. Now, disagreements could result into printing a book. Fear of religious and irreligious thoughts might spread. Now, the problem was the Catholic Church, okay, the Catholic Church actually started, getting a bit scared because they couldn't understand that इसके वजह से बहुत सारे लोग कुछ गलत या कुछ negative ideas भी publish कर सकते हैं. So might be that they will become irreligious and they will not step into the church. Maybe यदि आपने God के बारे में कुछ उल्टा सीधा लिखना चालू कर दिया, and people, if they start believing, they will not turn to the temples, they will not turn to the churches, and that's what they got scared of. Okay. Now, if you see this, monarchs, artists, authorities feared. Who were the guys who actually got scared? The guys at the top-notch ranks. आप मार्केट में एक बेगर से बोलो कि आपने अपने घर के आगे गेट क्यों नहीं लगाया है, वो बोलेगा मेरे पास में घर ही नहीं है. आप उसको बोलोगे हाँ तो, लेकिन बोलेगा मेरे पास में कुछ है ही नहीं, पैसे वैसे मैं क्या घर करूँगा, मेरे पास कुछ है ही नहीं, मुझे डर है ही नहीं किसी चीज़ का. बट डर किसको होता है? जिसके पास में कुछ खोने के लिए होता है. एंड मोनार्क्स वर दीज टॉप नोज गाय जिनके बाय द वे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस हर जगह चल रहे थे. सेम वर लाइक विद द एलीट आर्टिस्ट जिनको अभी तक लग रहा था कि बस वही है दुनिया में. And then comes the authority figures who used to, take irregular or, by the way, taxes or wrong rules and all those particulars. So those guys got scared. Gradually, there was this widespread criticism. Criticism किस चीज़ का? Printing का. And people started saying that नहीं ये books को बंद होना चाहिए. Now think about it. क्या ये normal लोग थे जिन्होंने ये criticize किया होगा? नहीं. कौन थे? Monarch, artists and authorities, and they started criticizing these books because these books were actually doing good, because they were now asking, the books were now asking people to have debate and discussion and do not blindly follow anything at all. So there was this widespread criticism. Now let's study about the word Europe and the impact on religion. So we would just take an example just to show as in what actually happened. So in the year 1517, there was this guy who was a religious reformer named as Martin Luther. Not Martin Luther King, Martin Luther. Religious reformer known as Martin Luther. Now Martin Luther wrote 95 theses, 95 kind of books, explaining all those things, and he openly criticized the practices followed by Roman Catholic Church. So मार्टिन लूथर ने बोला कि ये अपने आप से जो भगवान बने हुए हैं, जो चर्च वाले लोग, we will not follow them because उनकी practices ही गलत है. ऐसा क्यों नहीं, and so on and so forth, right? And rituals of Roman Catholic Church. So this I have already told you. Printed copy. Now जब इनकी बातें मार्केट के अंदर बहुत सारा लोगों ने फैलना चालू हुई, then people started questioning. Actually में बात तो ये सही बोल रहे हैं, ऐसा क्यों हुआ? See, this is what happens when you actually become literate. As I told you yesterday, if you will become literate, the entire family is being uplifted. Now, one of, by the way, the Protestant actually went to the Catholic Church and hanged a book over there, and they hanged this particular book right onto the door, challenging the Catholic Church that if you have got guts, then please come and please participate in the debate led by Martin Luther, so that we need to understand whether you are right or whether he is right. Let's have a debate. Protestant Reformation. Now, what do you mean by the word Protestant Reformation? Protestant Reformation was that particular revolution which actually happened in the 16th century, in which a lot of divisiveness, or the Catholic crowd actually got divided into two parts. That is the Catholic and the Protestants. And the Protestants were of the view that Catholic के जो भी rules and regulations हैं that are not supposed to be followed very religiously. Why? Because उसका कोई logic नहीं है. It's just being laid upon us just for the sake of that we would be getting controlled, that's all. So people now started realizing this thing, which is a very, very important point out of this. So Protestant Reformation happened. तो मार्टिन लूथर को जिन भी लोगों ने बोला कि नहीं मार्टिन लूथर इज सही बोल रहे हैं, वो सारे के सारे लोग कौन कहलाने लगे? प्रोटेस्टेंट्स। एंड जो लोग कैथोलिक चर्च को फॉलो करते थे, दे वर नोन एज कैथोलिक। Now Martin Luther Testament sold around 5,000 copies. Now उस टाइम की बात कर रहे हैं 15th and 16th century, when Martin Luther actually printing those books or started printing those books, he sold 5,000 copies, maybe in a week or so. Within 3 months, the second edition came and got a whopping response. So technically, it was a kind of a bestseller at that particular moment of time. He also said, Martin Luther said that printing is the greatest gift of God. Why? Because printing, or with the help of printing, you could actually spread your ideas into mass crowds. Now, the next guy in Italy, and whose name was Minocchio. Now, Minocchio was a miller in Italy. Now, he went one step ahead. He was not that literate, but उसने अपना खुद का बाइबल का एक मीनिंग निकाला and he started printing that book on Bible. That means that he said that what the Roman Catholic guy says, that this is the Bible and this is the meaning of Bible, he said that's not true. According to me, Bible की इस लाइन का मतलब ये है. So say suppose for example, if I am Minocchio and there is some other guy and some other guy is saying इस बुक में लिखा हुआ है कि we should not or we should not tolerate injustice. Minocchio ने बोला he is absolutely right, we should not tolerate injustice, we should firmly reply back to all those जो हमसे कुछ गलत बात कर रहे हैं. So this idea now craved into the mind of the normal Europeans and they started fighting for their own rights. So imagine एक टाइम पे जहाँ पे सारा का सारा क्राउड ऐसे एकदम चुपचाप ऐसे दबा हुआ था, बट नाउ ओनली विद दैट वन प्रिंटिंग प्रेस ऑफ व्हाट? Gutenberg, and this entire revolution actually started happening. Now imagine Gutenberg must never ever have thought that उसका एक idea could actually change so much amount or so many amount of lives, but trust me, he did. Now this, or by the way, today's lecture, unfortunately, Minocchio at that time was being then captivated and finally was being executed. Why? Because Roman Catholic Church now thought that these kind of heretical ideas. What do you mean by heretical ideas? Heretical ideas means all those ideas which says opposite to what the Roman Catholic or the Roman Catholic Church says. So these all guys actually led to a kind of revolution only because of this word print. Now comes the question, guys, after reading this, that's what I keep on saying it to every single fellow, be it a girl and a boy. You keep on doing, you keep on, do the part what you love to be doing. Say if you are playing games, if you are doing this, you are doing that. But guys, do read, sometimes newspapers. Probably if it is English or if it is world news, please do see it. You might be able to get different perspectives, different thoughts about it. And of course, it is going to improve your English either way. Okay. So signed off from me right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do comment if you like this video. Thank you guys. Love you. Take care. Bye. Ciao.